Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Welcome to my channel. I recently got out of an estate sale and I picked up 3 items that I thought were interesting. The Sargent pair of wire cutters. I actually thought they were broke off when I first saw them, but they're actually legit. I found them in an old Bernard or Sargent catalog, and they're pretty cool. And then these I thought were related to Bernard or Sargent made these, and come find out they're Uticas. Now I hadn't done any finding any part numbers or anything like that, but I thought they would probably clean up nicely and go with my Utica collection that I've got. And then these interesting rascals here, these are Bernards. They were made by the William Schollhorn company, and I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right. There's a patent number across the top up here closest to the cutters. It's 6-12-13, I believe. Of course, the 12, the 2 could be a 7. I couldn't really make it out. And then at the bottom, down the handleways, there's a patent number of 12-14-15. Now I won't look them patents up, but if you wanted to, you can. Schollhorn Company was founded in 1870. They're in New Haven, Connecticut. Of course, we know William Bernard, he was the inventor of the parallel action pliers, and he ended up selling his idea to this Schollhorn guy. And then later, the Sargent, 80 years something later, I think Sargent Company, they bought them, and then they ended up becoming like the hand tool division of Sargent Manufacturing. These are neat. These are made to go down into a shoe and cut the ends of the tacks coming through the leather, so they don't open up that much, and then you just snipped them off. So pretty interesting. I think I may clean these up and just we'll see if we can get a better look at them. So all we have, I think, here is this one little screw. Check my nice little advertisement screwdriver snap-on. I do know that these came from Mr. Brian Jolly via Magdad, and I appreciate it. So let's see if we can put this to use. We'll drag this old screw out. So we got it there. Use this old pair. Comes out like that. Lay it there. Spring loaded. So we got that apart. Now I might just never get that back together. But let's see. Alright, so left side's longer, right side's shorter. Got the teeth in. I may have to do a little profiling on the teeth here. We got a little chip out right there, or do I leave them alone? I don't know. So anyways, I'll take these as a wire wheel and see what we get. Go. Oh girl. Let's show them what this wire wheel look like. old copper girl there. She knows where the cool spot is on the garage, is in the floor. So we got it wire wheeled up. Not too bad. I reprofiled the tip there. I don't know if you can see that good or not. Little 1x30 action on the sander and some file work, and I think she's coming out okay. So not too bad. So let me get back at it, and then I'll come back and show y'all the final deal and see if I can figure out how to, I might throw some tacks in old lady shoes and cut them out for y'all or something. So let's see if we can get this thing back together. This side goes over there. We gotta get the bolt through this spring. Long side to the left, the cutter's down. So we got that. I'm gonna line that up there. Get that in there like that. Get me a little cheater there. So we get it in there like that. And I'm gonna cheat a little more. Get it in the hole, Vic. That's what somebody said that one time. Come on. Man, every time I try to show off, that don't work. Alright, so there we go. So now we got it lined up like that. Get our screw started. Yeah, that's the right way. Alright, so we'll get like that. And then you break out a great looking ball peen hammer made by Mr. Pete. We bottomed out right there. Then we start. Threading her back in. Well, gotta get her right first. There she goes. There she goes. Well, I said there she goes. Oh, I see. I see. There we go. We wasn't seated in there right. We got her in there now. All right. So there she is. Get my fingerprints off of her. So there she blows. So we profiled the tip a little better. It's probably not perfect, but pretty neat, unique little pair. And I wanted to go back and blue it all, so I blued it all. That stuff there is the best bluing solution you can use, hands down. Been using it for years and years, but I mean, they just don't get any darker. But so there's those. So here's the Sargent little cutters on these rascals here. I flitzed them up, shined them up a little bit. And the Uticas, I didn't do too much with it. The springs broke inside. I'm gonna take them apart. So I just gave them a little cleaning. I did find a number right there. I'm pretty sure it says Utica 441, and they're 5.5 inch little cutters. Again, like I said, they'd fooled me. I thought pretty cool looking with the handles, but you know, they fooled me and I thought they were Bernards when I was grabbing all these, which I'd have grabbed them anyway, being Uticas. But anyways, I'm gonna try to put something together and see if I can get these to cut. I'll snatch up a pair of shoes around here somewhere or something, maybe. Let's see what I can do. All right, so here's the shoe. Sole of the shoe, right? So the old cobbler would put his nail in, tack it in there. Oh, it'd come through, right? Of course, you know, he'd make a bunch of mistakes. And then that one in the center of your foot, that's the one that's real pain. So anyway, so your boot sitting there like that. course, it's got a cover over it, and these are made to go down in the shoe, and you'd feel around. And of course, you're going to open them up because they're compound action here. So you come in here to that, and then, woo! Maybe have some safety glasses on. That came close. So anyway, then you come in here to that one. Oh, clean that one off good. Then, so you got to open it up. Bingo. And then, of course, they're going to be, demonstration purposes only, fellas. Anyways, hey, pretty cool. Pretty interesting. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much, and hope y'all have a good one. Thanks.